Hello, and welcome to another Norasil Tech video. Now that our mighty mini rack is built, it's now time to get file sharing up and running on the server. The first network share we're going to create is going to be for our digital signage solution. So let's get started. First up, we need to install Samba. Now we need to edit the smb.conf file. You see at the top the word global in brackets. This is where you can set workgroup type, server name, security, etc. Down farther you'll notice signshare in brackets. That is our file share that will appear to other computers on the network. Here's where we set the location to the share itself and what users or groups can attach to it. We are configuring group access for this share. We now need to restart the Samba service. We will now create our first user. It will be created without the ability for the user to actually log into the local server. It can only open the file share remotely. We now assign a password to the user. We now create a group for the user to belong to. We now assign the user to the group. We will also assign the local server user to that group as well. We will now give the user a Samba password. We now enable the user to use Samba. We now create the main directory where the file shares will be. Now we create the directory for our file share. Now we set the privileges on the main directory. Now we set the access control list. We enter the access control list again, but with one small change. Now we reboot. Now that the server is rebooted, let's move over to our Windows computer and test the share out. We now connect to the file server and log in. Now let's create a sample text file to make sure we can save documents. And we are now good to go.